Hi guys, it's Bella and welcome to Beauty on a Budget. And I was thinking what I wanted to talk to you about today. I'm going to visit some friends at the weekend and it's only an overnight stay, that's all. So I'm just staying for one night. But I don't have the strength to carry a lot of stuff anyway, not that you'd need it for one night. So I was thinking there's certain things I have to take and what can I put them in, and you know, what do I really need for an overnight stay? So I've just got out my backpack like this and I just want to put everything in there. I want everything to fit into that. So I will have a shower in the morning before I go, one the next day when I get home, but in between times I will still want to strip wash because I'm just like that. So obviously I want to take a flannel and a small towel so that I can do that. Toiletries wise, my clothes I want to be able to fit into the bigger part, and I'll be able to do that for an overnight stay easily. And then it's got this big pocket here. So in that big pocket there I want to be able to fit all my toiletries, makeup and anything that I need for overnight. So what shall I take? So we'll start with the toiletries. I'm going to take some of my soap because I love Dove soap. It also can double up as a face cleanser because it doesn't break me out or anything like that. So I'm going to take a bar of my soap and I've got it in one of these containers like that. So that's my main cleansing. I've taken my flannel. Facial cleansing, I am taking my Natural Radiance, which is one by Boots. This is a hot cloth cleanser. It's the one I said is like ELLES. And I can take my makeup off, take all my makeup off with that, and if necessary double cleanse with the soap. So that's fine there. Face wise, I've got this. I always buy one of these if I'm travelling. It's only SPF 15, but I like it a lot. It's an argan oil and it's a day cream, but for overnight it's fine for day and night. It's very light. It's an argan oil based cream, but for one night, for overnight, it's ideal because it doesn't separate under your makeup. You can use it as a night cream. And as I say, it's fine under your makeup, so I will be taking that for my face. Also for my face, this is a little vitamin E cream that I get from Superdrug. You've probably seen me use it before because I've bought this 100 times. But what I do is I empty it and sterilise the bottle, and then I fill it with SPF 50 because my SPF 50 is in much bigger bottles or tubes, and I don't want to have to carry all that with me for once overnight, but I won't be without my SPF 50. So I'm just going to fill that up with SPF 50. So I've just got the right amount just for overnight, but I'm not leaving or going without it. So that's my face. Then I'm taking some facial wipes. Normally in the morning I use micellar water, but I don't want to carry a bottle of micellar water again, so I'm taking some facial wipes, ones that I know are okay, that are not going to set my skin off because you know it's quite sensitive. So I'll take those so that I've got wipes for my face for the morning. Body wise, obviously I said I've got the soap, which I love. I'm not going to take a lot of body creams or anything like that with me. It is only one night. If I was going for longer than that, then I would take more things that I need, different sorts of creams and things. But I'm going for one night. And I'm just going to strip wash while I'm there, because I shall shower the morning I go, I shall shower the afternoon I get back. So I'm taking a small Johnson's powder. I love baby powder. And I like to put that on after a shower. If I haven't got any creams, or I'm not using any creams. Keeps you nice and fresh. So I'm taking that, and that's just a little small travel size. It comes under, I got it in Superdrug, and it come under their travel size items. So just got that. And then I've got my little roll-on deodorant. Well, it's just a standard deodorant because roll-ons are quite easy anyway, aren't they? You know, they're only light and they're only small, and I don't use the spray ones. So I've taken one of my deodorants. Then I've got my toothbrush in one of those plastic ones that I've got my soap in. And I've got a small toothpaste. This was it again in Superdrug in their travel sizes. And I just got that. Ideal, isn't it, for overnight? For perfume or body spray, I've taken a small Avon one. I can't remember what this one is called. I'll list it. But can you see? You can probably see better than me. So I'll take that because it's not a whole lot left and it's very light. So I thought, well, I'll take that. I'll use that up there and it's not going to take up much room and it's light. So that's what I'm looking for, light really. And then some hairspray, because I always need hairspray because this is always falling all over the place. My bangs just go all over my face if I don't use it. Again, I've bought a little travel size. I've just bought a little travel size of the one that I know I like from Superdrug. So again, that can go in. And ideal for an overnight stay. So that's all the toiletries things that I need. The SPF will go on my face and on my body as well, because for one night stay that's plenty enough. So that's my cleansing and my body and keeping clean. And then makeup, definitely not going without makeup, am I, guys? So I've taken, got that, I have taken my favourite foundation because it's so light and I love it, which is a Rimmel Breathable. It's a glass bottle. I could have taken a lighter bottle, but I just love that foundation. For powder, I'm really liking, guys, now the Avon pearls that I showed you. I like that. So what I've got on now, and it leaves a slight luminosity, which I really like. But I don't want to take those loose pearls with me. So I am just taking, this is, I've shown you this lots of times before, guys. This is a L'Oreal New BB powder. And I only use this just slightly sort of around here anyway. No, just to seal in. And it's okay quite up under your eyes here. Some powders you can't do that with. You have to be careful. But the Avon pearls, honestly, I suggest anybody try them. They are really nice. I've got them on now and I really like the finish. Anyway, this is not that, is it? This is what I'm taking away. Concealer I have to take with me. This is the Brightener. Again, this goes up. I've got it on now. If you can see the brighter side of my face, there and there. So I've got that. That's the eye razor, and that's the Brightener. Take that with me. Then I was thinking about eyeshadows. What do I do about eyeshadows? So I'm not taking eyeshadows as such. Oh, I'm taking a beauty blender. And I'm also taking, they're not beauty blenders, are they? It's a Real Technique sponge. I always say that. And I'm taking the Real Technique sponge for my concealer. And all my makeup's gone in this little bag here. I'm taking an eyebrow pencil. This is the Revolution Brow Sculpt one. And the reason I'm taking this is it's much less to have to do than the pomade, although I love my pomade. This is easier in the sense it's got a spoolie one end, so I can just quickly, I have got it on today actually, I can just quickly do it and quickly go over it, and that's just ideal. Now eyes. What am I going to do about eyes? Well, I've taken a blush and a bronzer. I've tried to bring everything that's as neutral as possible, you know, just nothing heavy or particularly coloured, just as neutral as possible. So I've taken this Avon blush, which I really like this. I really like that blush, guys. What is that one called? Cheeky. It's called Cheeky. Suitable for me, isn't it? So I'm taking that, and I'm taking my Bourjois chocolate oh my goodness, where's the words going for me today? Contour or bronzer, whatever you want to call it. And I will make an eye look up of these. I will make an eye look of just this and a bit of powder, but I'll make an eye look. So I'm not taking any palettes. I don't want to take any big palettes, but I can definitely make an eye look up out of those. Or I'll show you how to do that if you like, guys. Just let me know. And then what's else in my bag? I'm taking a black mascara. This is Rimmel's one. I'm not taking my eyelash curlers. I'm not taking an eyelash primer. I just want to take as least as possible. I can't go without makeup. You know what I'm like, guys. So I want to put my full makeup on, but take as least as possible. So I'm just taking a mascara. That's all I'm going to take. The last thing in my bag, guys, look at my bangs. I told you I must have the hairspray. These will all be over my face. The last thing in my bag is my lipstick. And guess what? No surprises. Velvet Teddy. Everything that I've taken is all very neutral. The stuff that I said I would use for a makeup look, all just very, very neutral. And I can use those things to get a full face and to do a full face of makeup. And mix and match your things, and that will turn out fine, I'm sure. Brush wise, I've got this little container here, and what I do with that, this is it's supposed to be a stand for the Real Techniques brushes. You can stand it up, but I use this treble. So I've got a blending brush, placement brush, detailed brush, a little brush that I'll use for powder, and one that I'll use for blush. I didn't want to take my big powder brush because that's bigger again. I just wanted things that I could close in here. So that's it. And that will all fit into that front little compartment. The back compartment, I will put my towel, my flannel, and my change of clothes for the next day, and another outfit, and my night clothes, and my underwear, and anything else that I might need like that. So it all goes in there, so I don't have to take an awful lot, but I have got everything with me. So I just wanted to share that with you guys to show you what I'm going to take overnight. I will be filming my overnight trip with my friends, my stay, and that will be coming up real soon. I'm sure you'll see quite a lot of me there. Okay, so you look forward to that or not, the case may be. Okay guys, so I'll see you again on Friday. You have a lovely, lovely week. Take care of yourselves. Bye my loves. Bye.